I'm going to share 5 top tips. Set goals and achieve more. If you want to achieve your dreams and turn ambitions into reality, these tips will help. We'll cover practical strategies to set clear goals and achieve them effectively. Let's go! Tip 1. Define SMART goals. Make goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Use Google Docs to write them down in this format for clarity and better success. Tip 2. Break down goals into actionable steps. Once your goals are clear, divide them into smaller tasks. Use Google Tasks to create a step-by-step plan, making goals easier to tackle. Tip 3. Visualize your goals. Create a vision board or a simple presentation using Google Slides or Canva to keep yourself motivated and focused on the outcome. Tip 4. Track your progress. Regularly monitor and adjust your goals. Use Google Sheets to track progress, stay accountable, and ensure you're on the right path. Tip 5. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge your progress and keep motivation high. Use Google Calendar to mark key milestones and plan small celebrations. And that's it. 5 tips to set goals, get results. Consistency and clarity are key to success. Check the description for all the tools mentioned. Happy goal setting and thanks for watching.